Welcome to Somfy's video manual for Somfy-powered rolling shutters. In this video, you will learn how to replace lost or damaged transmitter by clearing all RTS transmitters from motor's memory. Perform a double power cut. Turn the power off for 2 seconds. Turn it back on for 10 seconds. Turn the power off again for 2 seconds. Turn the power back on and the motor should either jog or move up or down for about 5 seconds, depending where the shutter was at the power cut. All old transmitters have been deleted from motor's memory. To add new transmitter, press the programming button on the back of the selected control until the motor jogs. Thanks for watching. Visit us on rollershield.com for more information.